What up? What up? What up? It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with another weekly money watch. Let's go ahead and get into it like we always do. Quick update on the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely according to plan. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel. Economics report for the week. No events scheduled on Monday. Tuesday, we have some important events: consumer price index, CPI year over year, core CPI, as well as multiple Fed speakers throughout Tuesday. Wednesday, we have producer price index, industrial production. How much are businesses paying for their products with the tariffs in place? We'll find out. Thursday, July 17th, initial jobless claims, U.S. retail sales. Lots of events going on this week that you're going to want to pay attention to. And then Friday, building permits and housing starts. As far as the almanac and what we can expect for this week, or what the historical data suggests, Monday before July monthly expiration, the Dow has been up 16 of the last 21 trading sessions. Monday historically bullish. Tuesday overall bullish, more from Dow and NASDAQ. Wednesday, it'll be mixed market. Typically, NASDAQ will push. And then Thursday, Friday to close out the week, historically bullish. And July expiration day, the Dow has been down 15 of the last 24 trading sessions. And historically, there have been some crazy downside moves in the market. If you've been following all the moves over the weekend, crypto absolutely floating. So shout out to all the crypto bros, crypto sisses. Is that a thing? I don't know what the official name is. You guys help me out. If you know the official name, put that in the comments below. I think I just made that up. I don't know. Let's go ahead and get into the setups I'm going to be looking at for this week. All the setups you're going to see, double inside setups. So one of the tickers we're going to be looking at, PLD Prologis. We're looking at a 2-2-day above 109.17. You can see we got this double inside month, and then it won't take much to break. If we start to push, we got a monthly broadening formation, and we're looking about 128.69 right now. 128.69 right now. As far as corporate data, they have earnings this week on the 16th pre-market, so definitely keep that in mind. Let's check out another ticker, SOC, Sable Offshore Energy Play. We're looking for a 212 on the 4-hour, above $22.59. Matter of fact, let me go back to PLD because I want to make sure we get this entry. This was a 2-2 day above 109.17. Let me just kind of scroll down, zoom out a little bit so you can kind of see what we're looking like here. So, okay, just wanted to get that on camera there. And then SOC, we got a 212 4-hour, 212 on the 4-hour. All right, 212 on the 4-hour, about 22.59. Let me make sure I got all this right. And the thing about PLD was interesting because the day trigger and the 4-hour trigger is the same, as you can see there. So that was that's pretty interesting right there. And the last ticker we're going to be looking at, TTD Trade Desk. Trade Desk, came off the April lows like a lot of stocks. It's been kind of pushing up a little bit. Currently double inside month. Like I mentioned, if this thing were to break, we'd be looking at the first levels around $86, around $86, something like that. This has an entry. We actually, what is the TTD? 1 minute. We actually got an entry on the 1 minute here. So we have a 212 on the 1 minute above $75.40. So yeah, if this starts to push up, we got a lot of room. As far as corporate data, earnings on August 7th, aftermarket. So I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. We'll see if SPY can hit some all-time highs. We'll see if the CPI number set up for an environment where the Fed feels comfortable cutting rates. something that just popped in my mind. This weekend, Fed Chair Powell had said he considered resigning. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But hopefully this helps you guys out. If you guys get any wins, I'd like to hear about those. If you guys have any questions, I'd like to hear about those as well. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like the video. I want to get you these updates as soon as they're available. Looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. With that being said, it's your man Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Peace.